Howdy, Chad. Here's your 347 small block Ford. Give you a description and combination. Got a set of our ass gas cylinder heads on it. And our block manifold. Got our PM valve cover. MSD distributor. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the rear sump wall pan. Got your front end on it if you want it. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3500, 408 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 430, peaks horsepower 443, so the radio 440, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. We'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things. When you see reason, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. We'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, it'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.